Vande Mataram, children. Today in Science, Biology, Chapter 13, Why do we fall ill? Continuing with the next topic, that is disease and its causes. Here we are going to see about how disease look like, means what are the symptoms of it, about acute and chronic disease, and how it can be caused. Okay, and chronic disease and the poor health. What are the health effects if we are suffering from chronic disease? So let's have a look about it. Okay children, so continuing with disease and its causes, our first topic, that is what does disease look like. मतलब कैसे डिजीज दिखती है, ऐसा तो नहीं, पर ये टॉपिक में हमें ये समझना है कि डिजीज अगर हो तो हमें कैसे पता चले एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स हैपनिंग देयर. सो व्हेन अ पर्सन इज अफेक्टेड बाय अ डिजीज, either the normal functioning or the appearance of one or more system of the body changes for the worse. मतलब जो नॉर्मल हेल्दी पर्सन में फंक्शनिंग होता है वैसे नहीं होता, उसमें कुछ तो कोई तो सिस्टम में प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग नहीं हो रही है. एंड दिस चेंजेस गिव राइज टू साइंस ऑफ द डिजीज कॉल्ड symptoms. Okay, there is a little bit difference between sign and symptoms that I'll show you. And on the basis of these symptoms, the physician, means the doctor, look for the signs of a particular disease and conduct test to confirm the disease. Sign और symptom से हमें disease क्या है वो diagnose करने में helpful रहता है. Okay, so let's see the difference between sign and symptoms. Yes, see children, a sign is the effect of a health problem that can be observed by someone else. कोई दूसरा उसको देख सकता है. ओके, जैसे कि डॉक्टर कैन सी द साइन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रैशेस है, स्वेलिंग ऑफ ग्लैंड्स है, एक्सेट्रा. एंड सिम्टम, अ सिम्टम इज एन इफेक्ट नोटिस्ड and experienced only by the person who has the condition. मतलब ये पेशेंट खुद एक्सपीरियंस करता है, जैसे कि स्टमक एक, सोर थ्रोट. ओके, ये वो पर्सन जिसको हो रहा है, इट कैन एक्सपीरियंस इट, कैन फील दिस सिम्टम्स. ओके, सिम्टम्स कैन हेल्प डॉक्टर और फिजिशियन टू फाइंड आउट द साइन and the disease which is going on in that particular patient. Symptoms only indicate that a patient is suffering from a disease, but they do not indicate what disease is. For example, a patient complaining of body ache could be suffering from any one of a number of diseases like influenza, malaria, etc. पर हमें एग्जैक्ट पता नहीं चलता है कि what is the disease. And as we have seen that on the basis of the symptoms, the physician look for the sign. Symptoms सुन के पेशेंट के वो साइन ढूंढता है डॉक्टर of particular disease and asks to do some of the laboratory test like urine test, blood test, okay, to confirm the disease. So this is all about what does disease look like. Now coming to next part, that is types of disease, acute and chronic disease. Now see children, from the term it's very simple to understand that acute disease lasts for short period of time and chronic disease, it's a long period disease. So first point, let's see. Acute disease last for short periods of time, for example common cold, whereas chronic disease last for a long time, even lifetime, for example elephantiasis, okay, arthritis, diabetes. There are many examples of chronic disease. Acute disease cause major effects on general health in a very short time. मतलब थोड़े ही टाइम लगता है उसमें इफेक्ट जनरेट करने के लिए. and here chronic disease को होने के लिए it take more time or long time. Feeling of tiredness does not occur at all or all the time. In case of chronic disease, one feels tired all the time. Weight loss does not occur and one does not become short of breath. Weight loss occurs and one becomes short of breath. Acute disease do not have long-term effect on our body, children. वो ज़्यादा अगर नॉर्मल कोल्ड एंड कफ है हमें तो कोई एडवर्स इफेक्ट हमारे बॉडी पे नहीं होता है और लंबे टाइम तक नहीं होता है. बट क्रोनिक डिजीज हैव लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट्स ऑन अवर बॉडी. इवन इट समटाइम बिकम फैटल. Yes, next thing to understand that is chronic disease and poor health. Okay, अभी हमें कोई chronic disease मतलब long term की disease हुई है तो वो कारण हमारी body, हमारी health कैसे poor हो जाएगी. What will be the major effect on our health? So as we can imagine, acute and chronic diseases have different effects on our health. Any disease that cause poor functioning of some part of the body will affect our general health as well. This is because of all functions of the body are necessary for general health. मतलब कोई हमारी general health normal जो hygiene है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ problem हो सकती है. The chronic disease is the disease that occurs gradually and lasts for years and maybe for entire lifetime. Typically, when disease persists for 3 months, it is categorized as chronic disease. अगर 3 महीने से ज़्यादा या उतने टाइम तक रहती है, then we can consider as a chronic disease. It causes severe damage to the organs and organ system, affecting the quality of life. Some chronic disease such as cardiovascular disease can be controlled by regular participation in physical activity, eating healthy, quit smoking, reducing the consumption of alcohol, etc. अगर हम ये एक्टिविटी करें तो हम ये डिजीज से जीत सकते हैं या we can control it. There are some examples of chronic disease you can see, children, like arthritis, cancer, stroke, heart attack, obesity, etc. Okay, then now chronic disease and poor health. What are the effects of chronic disease on our health that we'll see? A raised blood pressure, increased glucose level, overweight, abnormal blood lipids are the main signs and symptoms of a chronic disorder. With the increasing age, these diseases become more common, and in most cases, those unusual turn even fatal. The chronic illness and its treatment severely affect the body. Yes, children. अगर हम उसकी ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं या अगर हमें वो कोई क्रोनिक डिजीज हुआ है तो our body is adversely affected. Therefore, one must know how to live with the physical effects of the illness, deal with treatment, communicate clearly with the doctors, maintain confidence to fight with the disease, and cope with the negative feeling. For example, children, if a child is suffering from acute disease, जैसे कि नॉर्मल उसको कोल्ड एंड कफ हुआ है तो he can take leave of 2-3 days in school and again he will get well and can attend school regularly, so it will not adversely affect his health. But if a child is suffering from chronic disease, then he cannot focus well on his studies and cannot learn very well, so his learning ability will decrease. So it means that chronic disease have adverse effect and great effect on our normal health. So thank you, children, for the day. Tomorrow we will see in detail about causes of disease. Thank you. Have a nice day.